Hi everyone, it's Ainsley from the Gaia Project. Thank you for joining me for today's Climate Quest activity. It's Wilderness Wednesday, and today we're going to be making a simple bird feeder out of a plastic bottle. Whether you live in an urban or rural environment, you are bound to find some type of bird. Did you know that the provincial bird of New Brunswick is a black-capped chickadee? You've likely seen these cute little birds before, with their small gray and white bodies and unique black cap on the top of their head. They even make a call that sounds like their name. Chickadees are known for being very curious and social little birds, and are very easy to attract to bird feeders. With your new plastic bottle bird feeder, you are very likely to bring them to your yard. Before we get started, I wanted to say thank you to our sponsors for making this series possible. A big shout out to NB Power and the McCain Foundation. Thank you for joining me for today's Gaia Climate Quest. I hope you had fun and enjoyed making your bird feeder. Bird watching is a great hobby, so hopefully your new feeder will bring lots of birds into your yard. Keep track of the number of birds you see on our bird tracking activity sheet. There are plenty of resources available online, so why not test your luck at some bird identification too? So far, with Gaia's Climate Quest, you've learned how to use a plastic bottle in 3 different ways, which is pretty cool. You can also make a bird feeder out of tin cans, drink cartons, paper towel rolls, oranges, and so much more. This is a great way to reuse old items and stop them from going to the landfill. Thanks again for joining me today. Don't forget to share comments, questions, and pictures on our social media feeds using hashtag Gaia Climate Quest for your chance to win a high-quality Gaia Project water bottle. Before we go, I just want to say thank you again to our sponsors who made this series possible. A big shout out to the McCain Foundation and NB Power.